Situated on almost a full acre, this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with many custom features awaits you. Inside, you'll find an open concept floor plan with tons of natural light filling the rooms. The spacious living room area features a coffered ceiling and atrium doors that lead out to the deck and a large backyard. The kitchen stuns with 2-toned cabinets, granite countertops, tiled backsplash, a farmhouse sink, and a large island with extra storage and seating. There's a separate dining and sitting area that are perfect for enjoying a quick meal and sharing the company of family and friends. The master suite offers a vanity nook, a large walk-in closet, and a spacious ensuite featuring double sinks, a jetted garden tub, and a walk-in tiled shower. Some of the custom features of this home include smart panel shutters and ceiling fans. This gorgeous rural home with privacy and plenty of land is ready to move in. Call Cheryl Bolts to see it today.